Hello everyone, today we're going to test this super rare thin side door molding for 9295 Honda Civic hatchback and sedan as well. So we've got these OEM packages. We just unboxed them to make it smoother, and let's reveal the product. Okay, so you can see the clips, and you're going to see how easy it is to install in a moment. These moldings are very hard to get, and we're going to test fit them on this poor little white hatchback EG. As you can see, it's very, very easy to install. And they match perfectly. They're going to make this door look fresh again.
These are
That was the
next side, wrong side.
This is the right hand side. And that's it. Thank you for watching.
אני קונה אשביק עכשיו.
האמת זה באמת מרענן.
מה? חבל על הזמן. Give me this phone.
Give me my phone.
Okay, no,
This is his phone.
yes.
This is yours.
I'm just speaking English, so.
You do. Everybody speaks English. Everybody speaks English.
צריכים לדעת.
Everybody speaks English.
מה אני עשיתי?
Speak אבל לא מבין.